Hey guys, I'm back to the channel with another video. Today I'm going to show you something pretty cool and also tell you how to do it. Shall we get into it? Roll that intro. So as you saw in the video, all of the effects that were slow motion turning into fast motion and fast motion turning into slow motion with some smooth transition was done through the feature of time remapping in Premiere Pro. I'm gonna walk you through the basics of time remapping in Premiere Pro next. So what I'm gonna do now is I am going to import this video. This is a video of milk pouring into the coffee and producing a enormously beautiful cloud of milk inside it, as you can see. This video is shot in 120 frames per second and also it is a slow motion video. Next thing, import that video into your timeline, expand your timeline to your use as you want it, and then you need to expand this layer so you can see the keyframes in it. Next, click this little icon, FX icon right here, then select time remapping and then select speed. Drag this line to about 300%. It will increase the speed of your video. As we saw earlier, this video was slow motion, but we increased the speed of the video and the video reduced to about 8 seconds. Before it was 26 seconds. So next thing, I'm gonna be choosing the point where I'm going to start the slow motion of the video. This is the point I want to start, so I'm going to import a keyframe in it. Then I need to drag that line again back to 100% or less than 100 as you wish, and let's see again. So it was pretty harsh cut that turned fast motion into slow motion, but what we're gonna do is expand this little icon right here to somehow for 2 seconds, and we'll see a really good change in earlier than now. That is, it will ease into slow motion, not directly cutting into slow motion but ease into slow motion. So this is the thing. See, it slowly turned into slow motion, but there's still some hard cuts right here and right here. So to overcome that, we'll be using this little knob right here and shifting it towards the left side to make it into a curve motion that will smoothly turn down the speed of fast to slow. See this? It turns smoothly into slow motion. Next thing I'm going to do is turn it back into fast motion. And how I'm going to do that, it's the same process that we used earlier to turn fast into slow motion. I'm going to be using this point right here to turn that back into fast motion. I'm going to import the keyframe again expand that right about for 2 seconds and increase the speed back to 300%. This time I'm going to use some more speed, so I needed fast motion in the last part, so I'm gonna be doing 337%. So it's still again a harsh cut, and right here you can see what we'll do is release the knob and turn it into a smooth motion. Let's check it out. Smoothly turned into slow motion going on, and smoothly turned into fast motion. You can do some more tweaking by increasing speeds and decreasing speeds, adding some effects from effects panel and many more things. So this is the tweaking I was talking about. I played around with timeline, increased the speed and added more keyframes, and this will look much more better than the earlier version, as you can see right now. So that is it guys. This is the basic knowledge you will need to do the time remapping, and thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please share and subscribe to my channel.